Desert animals of the Sahara. Playing with modeling clay is always fun. The children are making a desert safari park. Mariam has made a small jerboa. Farid is making an elephant. Others are making a fox, a gazelle, and a camel. They gather all the animals together and start placing them in their model desert park. The teacher tells the children the names of the animals in the Sahara Desert and other animals in Egypt. She wants to show them some real shots of these animals and where they live. There are camels in the Sahara, which people use for carrying things in the desert. The fennec fox is the smallest of all the foxes. It is small, but it has big ears. It likes to eat plants, lizards, and insects. The gazelle lives in the Sahara too. It has long horns and is strong. It can jump high and run fast. The jerboa knows how to tunnel a burrow to hide. It has big ears and a long tail. And its front legs are much shorter than the back legs. It moves around by hopping on its back legs. These animals of the desert are all very different. Which is your favorite?